Footwear is anything that we put on our feet. This can include items such as sneakers, sandals, boots, and high heels. Having one with a design that will minimize slips, trips, and falls helps prevent injuries. Choosing the right footwear for the job is important. You need to look at the hazards you face to make sure you choose the correct one. You wouldn't wear flip-flops when re-roofing a house. You would wear work boots instead. According to the Workers' Compensation Board of Alberta, almost 20% of all injury claims involve slips, trips, and falls. Approximately 14% of all slip, trip, and fall injuries occur at the same level. This could be as simple as not having proper grip on your footwear for a wet floor or not having proper ankle support to prevent the foot from giving out. All work sites must do an assessment to identify hazards so they can be eliminated or controlled before someone gets hurt. Information on conducting a hazard assessment can be found at the bottom of the screen. If you are unfamiliar with hazard assessments, you may wish to pause this video and review the information prior to returning. There are common slip, trip, and fall hazards related to footwear regardless of the type of work site. An example is weather effects on walking surfaces such as rain or snow. We also need to consider how the tasks we are completing can affect the types of footwear we should be choosing, such as the possibility of dropping items or getting on or off equipment. Thinking about where we walk, we also need to be aware of things that can cause a change to the surface we are walking on. Are there pipes that need to be maintained so that they don't drip or cause puddles from condensation? Are there areas of floor or walkway that need special finishes to increase traction as they have a tendency to be oily or wet? Is the task we are doing creating a fine dust giving us less traction with the floor? Hazards and footwear solutions may be specific to your work site or industry. If you're working in marshy land in agriculture or forestry, you will need waterproof footwear that does not easily come off your feet, such as boots with laces. If you're working where dropped objects are a hazard, you may need steel toes. Electrical work could mean needing footwear that is fortified from electric shock. If you're working around mats with holes or uneven surfaces, heels would not be an appropriate footwear choice. Whatever footwear you need, please ensure that it is CSA approved when required and meets all site requirements for footwear. Proper selection, fit testing, maintenance and inspection of footwear is good practice. Defective footwear should be replaced or repaired. Put your best foot forward. Assess hazards related to footwear and make good choices to ensure everyone gets home safely at the end of the day. The tutorial series is produced by the OH&S Prevention Initiative, a partnership between the Alberta government, industry, labor, and health and safety organizations. The following organizations contributed to this tutorial.